Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Brave browser. And in today's video, I'll show you how to update your Brave browser and enjoy super speed up of your Brave browser. Let me show you how. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to this sidebar right here. Click on this three slider, and this is going to drop down right here. Then scroll down below right here until you get to settings right here. So click on settings, and in a few seconds, it's going to take you to sections right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here until you get to the about right here. Click on about, and it's going to drop right here, just like what you see right here. Checking for updates. So as at the time of making this video, these are the latest version of Brave browser. All you have to do is to make sure you allow the update to run completely. After that, you have access to some of the new features and some of the bugs that have been fixed by Brave browser. It's that simple. More tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Brave browser on your PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.